What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned diesel 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie 4x4. This thing is still under factory warranty. It's a Motor Trend Automobile of the Year in billet silver exterior with black leather interior. It comes in at 8,310 miles and is a one-owner clean CarFax with no accidents. It's got the 6.7-liter diesel engine that gets 370 horsepower and measures in at 850 pounds of torque. It's got the off-road package, which includes a transfer case skid plate shield, 20-inch polished alloy wheels, ParkView rear backup camera, blind spot and cross path detection, heated seats, ventilated seats, Bluetooth, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a certified pre-owned diesel 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie 4x4.